Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. We got it all, from close calls all the way up to road rage. Make sure to stick till the end because you will definitely enjoy in this one. Sit back and enjoy. In this first video, we have a crazy truck driver who cut in front of the biker. His self-entitled move was not met with delight by the biker, and further up the road they started to argue.
You won't last, real life, real life, real life.
Shut down traffic for no reason.
In this video, we have police officer chasing down a driver that was speeding. As he was trying to pull him over, he brake checked the camera in the process.
I'm probably gonna go for a more form-fitting dress if I decide to get married in.
I'm gonna go for a more form-fitting dress if I decide to get married in.
Do a wedding. I can't do a ball gown because then I'll just be short in the back.
And his stepfather thinks that I'm with them. I'm to look him in the eyes. For what it's worth, I'm a young East Asian female, and the fact that he was watching East Asian adult videos makes me feel even more.
When trying to park goes totally wrong. This driver scrapped his door as he tried to park. We have a semi-truck driver who was reversing, but it didn't go as planned for him. He didn't pay attention at his mirrors and as a result he hit a parked truck.
Blackview voor uw veiligheid. Normale opname wordt gestart.
Ice and snow on the road can be a serious problem for anyone, and no matter how careful you drive, you can spin out and cause a wreck.
Ambulance is down and somehow it's like, we're coming! Oh my God! What, are you gonna die?
Never allow yourself to get distracted by anything while driving. Nothing is more important than paying attention at the road at all times, because life cannot be taken back once it's gone.
What happened?
Someone crashed.
That could have been us.
With this clip we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope that you enjoyed watching this one as well. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.